Hey there, fabulous folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of curling iron couture. We've got the top picks for effortless, stunning curls in 2024. Get ready to transform your hair game with the latest and greatest tools. Let's make those locks pop. Beginning with the Bio Ionic Long Barrel Styler tool. This tool has plenty of elements worthy of the best overall spot. It has one of the broadest temperature ranges I've tested, ranging from 250 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, and one of the lowest entry settings. This makes it suitable for all hair types, including fine, thinner hair and thicker, super straight or more textured strands. They also adds that the low heat setting might be very important for those who have damaged hair. And if you've ever noticed your hair feeling crunchy and dry after curling, you won't with this model, which I can vouch for based on my tests. Thanks to Bio Ionic's proprietary ceramic blend, which is designed to emit negative ions when heated, leaving hair soft and glossy according to the brand. The handle has a slender, tapered shape and a smooth, matte texture that feels well in my hands. And there's a ridge that serves as the ideal resting area for my index finger, enabling for a tight grasp without hurting my hands or wrists. And the clamp handle doesn't require me to overextend my thumb to open or release it. All this to say, it's the most ergonomically designed handle I've encountered. Although I had heard amazing things about Kristin's products and hot tools from my beauty colleagues, this was my first time using them. I liked the spiral curl it gave me, which by day 2 had just slightly faded into a gentle wave. One of my favorite aspects of this inexpensive curling iron is how nicely the clamp holds. I was able to capture the lightest, smallest hairs around my temples that would normally slide out of other models' clamps. This one maintains the hair firm as I twirl the iron around and over without causing a wrinkle. Speaking of rotating the base, the 9-foot cord swivels smoothly to accommodate for all the varied movement and maneuvering that comes along with style, and it has a Velcro fastener for tidy storage. The Kristin's curling iron heats up to your preferred temperature in about 30 seconds. Choosing your heat setting is simple, due to 4 preset selections according on your hair type and skill level. And the brand recommends level 1 for thin or fine hair, level 2 for medium or wavy hair, level 3 for coarse or curly hair, and level 4 for professional or advanced use. I've had T3 tools for a long time for 2 reasons. They're gorgeous and durable. This newer model, the T3 SinglePass Curl X Extra Long Barrel Curling Iron, also includes the brand's SinglePass technology, which combines even heat distribution and an internal smart microchip that prevents temperature fluctuations, allowing you to curl sections of hair in a single pass with less damage, according to the brand. On top of that, the barrel is comprised of T3's scratch and stain-resistant Ceragloss ceramic material, which reduces snagging and makes hair smoother and shinier. I was delighted with how tightly the clamp gripped each piece of my hair without yanking or snagging strands on the hinge. By the second day, I was able to brush it to untangle and soften the curls before heading out the door with day 2 waves. The handle lacks a single button, which greatly improves mobility. Instead, it includes an inconspicuous knob at the bottom that rotates to change between 5 heat settings ranging from 260 to 410 degrees, as indicated by a sequence of lit-up dots. I've always relied on hot equipment for professional-grade styling equipment, and the ProArtist Nano Ceramic Curling Iron Wand is no exception. This type, with a 114 barrel, combines stylish form and superior functionality. The nano ceramic technology gives hair a sleek, glossy sheen while eliminating frizz, allowing it to slide smoothly down the wand without clinging. I love how versatile it is. You can use it as a standard curling iron or wrap your hair around the barrel to use it as a wand. allowing you the freedom to create a number of styles. This tool is ideal for all hair types, with a high heat range of up to 450 degrees that produces stunning results whether your hair is thin, coarse, or anywhere in between. The fold-away safety stand simplifies storage, and the 8-foot tangle-free swivel cable allows for a wide range of movement, making styling a breeze. I've always been a fan of Beachwaver tools because of their simplicity and superb output, and the Beachwaver S75 rotating curling iron in white is of the highest quality. This model, with its 75-inch ceramic barrel, effortlessly generates classic beachy waves while preserving and enhancing shine. The ceramic composition allows your hair to move effortlessly around the barrel without sticking. I was delighted by the 2 arrow buttons that enable the barrel to swivel left or right, making curling both sides of your hair easy. This feature provides a layer of adaptability, making it simple to produce consistent outcomes. The lightweight design and straightforward controls allow you to style your hair easily, even during prolonged sessions. It also heats up quickly, reaching temperatures between 290 off and 410 OF in just 30 seconds, making it suitable for all hair types. Whether your hair is thin, coarse, or anywhere in the middle, this curling iron produces stunning results every time. Aside from these considerations, selecting the appropriate barrel size is critical to achieving the desired image, and its 75-inch barrel is ideal for making defined waves. While a 1-inch barrel produces classic waves, and a 1.25-inch barrel produces large waves.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.